I'm Jeff Reynolds with Keller Williams Real Estate, and I'm at Howler Bike Park, located just 10 minutes north of Branson. And I'm here to attempt a pro feature that I've never done before. And to be honest with you, I'm a little bit nervous. Buying a home can be scary and intimidating, just like this feature jump we're getting ready to take. Just like that jump, buying and selling a home can be scary and intimidating. I see it as my job to lead you in so that you can land safely. I'm Jeff Reynolds with Keller Williams Real Estate, helping you move forward.